This is the last rally of the Labour Party presidential campaign of Obi-Dati 2023, having visited the 36 states of the Federation, including the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. The Obi-Dati movement, or rather the third force as many are now quick to point out, is a phenomenon which has changed the political landscape in the country ahead of the 2023 general election.
I have seen that there is a revolution is about to take over, and we are about to take back our Nigeria.
These members of the Labour Party were so excited when they converged on Lagos for the mega rally, as some rode on power bikes while others danced in support of their presidential candidate, Peter Obi. Civil rights activist Aisha Yesufu, alongside other party stalwarts present, were quick to point out that Nigeria needs a young and dynamic leader, tested and with proven integrity like Peter Obi, to transform the nation.
A president with competence, character, capacity. We are tired of lesser evil. We want a competent candidate, and Nigerians are saying today they want Peter Obi. You can hear the crowd. Peter Obi, Obi, Obi.
It's very, very clear that those people that we've entrusted leadership into their hands have disappointed Nigerians in an unprecedented, humongous way. So Nigerians are tired of these particular two sesame twins. They are now looking for a political party, and luckily for us, we now have a political party that depicts the interests of a family, which Peter Obi represents. Mama, Papa, Pikin. It's not effigy of an umbrella or a broom, but rather we're talking about the family that represents me, I and you. So that makes it different. So would you vote for a broom or would you vote for an umbrella?
Mama, they were preventing from delivering well. Go and check the statistics. In childbirth, many of our mamas are dying. Should they be dying? No. Papa cannot find work and his dignity is being slaughtered. Should he not find work? Pikin cannot get a good education. Is that right? No. So I give you Peter Gregory Obi and Yusuf Dati Ahmed, who have promised me that they will give everything they've got to make sure that Nigeria will rise up again.
Leader of the Pan-Yoruba Socio-Cultural Group, Afenifere Pa Ayo Adesoya, also graced the event where he explained that it was the turn of the Southeast to produce the next president, as other geopolitical zones have done so in the past.
If Obi does not come in as the president, forget Nigeria. The northern elders now say, I want to impose Obi on them. No, they want to impose a northerner on us. And we say no.
Peter Obi in his remarks promised to tackle the dwindling nation's economy, including security challenges, among others, head-on.
Daddy and I are promising you that we will secure and unite Nigeria. We assure you, we are going to work hard to put people out of poverty. We are going to work hard to ensure that our youth are employed. And the way to do it is that we will remove this country from consumption to production.
This mega rally witnessed presence of foreign media, including some European Union members who will also function as foreign observers during the general election.